So I got this hair from Amazon from the Ali Pearl 100% unprocessed human hair collection, baby. So this is 150% density. It is the body wave hair that they have on their site. So right now I'm just going to show you what came out of the package, and this is just the hair in a bag, and I got a couple of instructions on a piece of paper on how to take care of the hair, and basically how to clean the hair and everything like that. And it also came with a wig cap and a thank you note from the Amazon company. So I'm very, 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 very excited. Y'all know I don't really do natural hair wigs like that. Oh, and I also got a elastic band, but I ended up not using it, but you know, that's a plus. But yeah, I don't usually do wigs like this, so please just, you know, bear with me. This is 100% beginner friendly because you'll see. I bleached it for the first time, you know, customized it for the first time and all that good stuff. So if you're ready to get into this video, make sure that you like and subscribe, and keep watching. So I actually got this pack. It's like a starter pack on Amazon, and it has the developer, it has the bleach, and it has the applicator brush. So that was very helpful. So I will try to link it below so you guys can try this for your first time. If you know, if you're doing wigs for the first time and you don't want to get a whole thing of developer and all that stuff. So yeah. So I'm trying not to go super hard on the hair just because I don't want it to bleed into the actual strands, but I'm just bleaching the knots right now with my bleach. And when I'm telling you this bleach is strong, y'all, my room smelled like bleach for like the whole day, and I had to air it out and all that stuff. But you know, it ended up picking up and lightening some of the knots. However, I wish that I pressed a little bit harder. I just did not want to mess up my lace, but it took very well. All right, so now that it's almost done, I'm just going to cut the timer now and wash all the bleach out, like all the bleach. And I'm going to be using the Shimmer Light shampoo just to help with the tone. But yeah, make sure you wash all the bleach out because you do not want your hair to fall out and look wild when you put it on your head, because if there's still a lot of bleach in it, you know, it's gonna bleed into your own scalp. So just try to make sure that you're taking your time when washing your hair and using that Shimmer Light shampoo just to get rid of that extra brassy color. Like, you don't want it to look too brassy. You want it to look more like natural scalp. Proud of myself. Like, I'm so proud of myself. Don't y'all see that? For a beginner, okay? Like, All right, but my hair was still wet and I'm not trying to mess up my doll head. So what I did was just put a plastic bag on top of my doll head and just started plucking in random spots on the lace. I just wanted it to look not like bald, but I wanted it to look like, you know, the hair was kind of thin in the front, you know, so it's like low density in the front. So I just went in, you know, and probably took me 30 to 45 minutes to finish plucking the hair. But I just went in little sections and just started plucking randomly just to give it that natural look in the front as best as I could. Like, just bear with me, all right? Just bear with me. I don't really have any method to my madness, but if you can see what I'm doing, I just make sure that it looks nice when I brush it back, and then I go into a section where it looks like, you know, there's a line of demarcation, and I just pluck that section. So I'm not gonna say exactly what I did because I already have a video on how I lay my wigs down, but just briefly, I'm going to just make sure it's stretched out all the way, use my Got To Be Glued spray, and just make sure that all dries before I cut the lace and put on the wig. So that's kind of what I'm doing. I'm just making sure it's all connected to my scalp and that it's ready for battle, ready for war. I had to slay the babies just a little bit, and straighten my hair with my flat iron. But I'm just gonna do all this stuff before I beat my face, because y'all, like, once I beat my face, this style about to hit differently. All right. So for my outro, please don't come at me and my eyelash. It looks like it's about to fall off my outro. This is just like a disclaimer before I start talking. So please don't come for me. Like, the eyelash was being weighed down by my side part. So yeah, just stay clear of that. All right, so this is the final look for my hair. Y'all, I already know I put this on wrong. It looks great, but I should have pulled this forward. Like, I don't know why the sideburns are so far back. Like, I just don't know why they're so far back. But it still looks cute. Like, if I just kind of cover it and put some powder on it, it'll look cute. Let me see. But this hair is high quality. Like, high quality. I just curled it a little bit to just give it some body. But this is my first time, like, really doing my own, like, installation like this. So I would say it's very beginner friendly. But just let me know what you guys think. Like, I'm kind of proud of myself, you know, my first time, you know what I'm saying? My first time curling and styling and really installing the unit. But like, it looks nice. It looks nice. But please let me know how I did. Like, I'm kind of proud, you know, because this was hard. Like, I thought it was gonna be a lot easier, but it's not as easy as it looks. But let me know what you guys think. Let me know what you guys think. I will definitely be able to rock this though. It's so, like, let me see if y'all can see the hair. It's so cute. Yeah, make sure you leave a like down below and that you subscribe to my channel, and I hope to see you guys soon. Bye guys.